I apologize if you can hear my washing machine in the background, but this is too cool to wait. This is the oil filter housing takeoff that I designed. This is printed in PLA as a test piece. This is a thing I got from PCBWay today. It's laser sintered aluminum. Oh baby, it's so neat. Look at this. The finishing work will be tapping the ORBs and putting a chamfer on them for the O-rings, and then tapping for NPT ports. I have a template that I can use to tap. So I just printed that up. It fits perfectly. Like, damn. And then on the base, I mean, this is smooth as it is, so like, this might not actually leak if I use the gasket, the Ford gasket, but I'll like lap this in, just do a couple of different grits going up to 1,000, see how smooth I can get this mating surface. But dang, I'm pretty happy with that.